An essay about the number 42, the meaning of life or a universal mystery. The number 42 has long been a cultural phenomenon thanks to Douglas Adams's book, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. In this novel, the supercomputer Deep Thought determines that the answer to the ultimate question of life, the universe, and everything is the number 42. But what lies behind this enigmatic number? Perhaps there's more to it than just a joke. The number 42 in mathematics and science. From a mathematical standpoint, 42 is a number with unique properties. It is the product of 6 and 7, two numbers that symbolize harmony and completeness in various cultures. In number theory, 42 is known as a Harshad number, meaning it is divisible by the sum of its digits. 4 plus 2 equals 6, 42 divided by 6 equals 7. This mathematical property makes it an example of internal symmetry. In science, the number 42 also appears in unexpected contexts. For example, it is the number of degrees at which the sun's rays are reflected from water droplets, forming a rainbow. This natural phenomenon, dependent on the number 42, links it to the beauty and mystery of nature. From a numerological perspective, 42 can be seen as a combination of the energies of the numbers 4 and 2. 4 symbolizes stability, hard work, and order, while 2 represents cooperation, balance, and duality. Together, they create an image of a path that requires a balance between effort and harmony. In some esoteric teachings, 42 is mentioned as a number associated with transition and transformation. In ancient Egyptian mythology, for example, 42 gods of the underworld judged the soul of the deceased, asking 42 questions about his life. This imagery connects the number with the idea of ultimate truth and spiritual development. Kabbalah and the number 42. In Kabbalah, the number 42 holds a special place. It is associated with one of the sacred names of God, called the 42-letter name, Shem HaMephorash. This name is used in mystical practices and is considered a powerful tool for knowing spiritual truth and communicating with the divine. Kabbalists associate the number 42 with the first verse of the book of Genesis from the Torah. This verse contains 42 letters in the original Hebrew text, which Kabbalists believe indicates the divine structure of creation. In addition, the 42 stages of spiritual growth described in Kabbalistic literature symbolize the path that a person must go through to achieve enlightenment. The number 42 also appears in the practice of prayer. Kabbalists use meditations and visualizations based on 42 letter combinations to achieve inner peace and harmony. Thus, 42 in Kabbalah is a number that connects the worlds, the material and the spiritual. The cultural significance of the number 42. The cultural perception of the number 42 has gone far beyond Douglas Adams's book. It has become a symbol of the modern search for the meaning of life, representing both a joke and a profound philosophical challenge. People find the number 42 everywhere, from song and movie titles to chance encounters in real life, turning it into a universal meme. In this context, 42 acts as a mirror for society. It reminds us of our tendency to look for meaning even where it may not exist, and of our desire to make sense of chaos. This is what makes the number 42 so fascinating. It is both everything and nothing at the same time. Conclusion: meaning or absurdity? The number 42 is more than just the answer to the question of the meaning of life. It embodies the human ability to see depth in the ordinary and the absurd in the sacred. It reminds us that meaning is not a ready-made answer, but a process of searching, a game of mind and spirit. Maybe this is the secret of 42. It doesn't matter what it means. What matters is that each of us can fill this number with our own meaning. And in this perhaps lies the true magic.